Yes. When I knew about it, Eric knew about it, and Troy knew about it. After that, Steve found out, then Derek found out.
Why did anyone tell Danny?
Because we wanted his reaction on the air.
Oh, okay.
Well, that makes sense.
Now, that would make me believe that one of you three that knew about it,
which is why I'm telling you
that he was angry about the first piece from what he heard.
That's when I found out. While he was producing this piece, I said, why is he producing a Danny piece? Again, this was weeks ago, and he said, and Troy and Eric said because he's pissed that he found out that Danny was talking about him. So that's.
So wait a minute now. You found out Danny was talking about him.
Yes.
But E-Rock, you said that that Nikki overheard something or something.
That's not true. Because Nikki even said in that piece that somebody told him.
Right. No, I know. But who said that he overheard
got
it?
wind of it.
Eric said that.
Eric said he overheard.
Question?
Yes.
What is the
Same as
what is the level of order that would not be able to get to Nikki to tell him? Is there a cutoff point to the lowest levels?
Yeah, I think
where they can't talk to Nikki.
The interns wouldn't be able to get in there, but all of us.
So the interns would be out.
Yeah, they wouldn't. They
in
wouldn't.
the hallway.
So this is actually ranking officers here. This situation.
Dissension.
And how many ranking officers are there? This is it in the room?
Yeah, pretty much.
My gut feeling is
someone right in here is a fucking rat.
Wow.
Yeah,
they're not fessing up.
I think my gut feeling is that someone who doesn't like the show knows that Nikki's part of our show. Told Nikki what
That could be a fucking million people.
What possibly? Oh, absolutely. I think it goes back.
Serious in this room, right?
Yeah, I think it goes back that Danny might have said something on the air, and then this blew up.
Travis has something to say.
Yeah, I just listened back to it. Danny didn't say a single word about it.
Yeah, I never heard Danny say anything.
Really?
So then,